Folks, today we are planting one of our Parajubaea palms. This is a pinnate species from high elevations of Andes Mountains in South America. I've had this one in a pot for at least 12 years. I grew it from seed years ago, and talking to a fellow Palm Society member the other day, phoned me up. He's in Vancouver, and he says, you better put that thing in the ground, Joe, because John Spalding, another Palm Society member, has one growing in Seattle for over 5 years now, and he says the thing is getting huge. Growing beside his house. It says it grows much better in the ground than in this pot. So this thing's probably so root bound. So what I'm going to do is, Wendy picked out a spot here. We're going to pick this hole in here. I got some soil and it's going to grow right behind a Trachycarpus. Also in this garden are some nice cordylines, and there's needle palm and lots of other things. There's even some avocados that survive the winter. So this is a very mild area of our garden. So this is a really nice mini coconut. I believe that's what they call it. Parajubaea produces an edible fruit like a mini coconut. Yeah. So Parajubaea cocoides, I think that's what it is. See. And so dig a nice $5 hole for a 5-gallon pot, one gallon pot. And or I say a $5 hole for a $1 palm, and it's going to be right in here,
right in there. Yeah,
right in there. Just like pretty. That, nice and sheltered. There's another cordyline here, and she's got camellias in here and other things. So I think a Parajubaea will look really nice here. It gets really warm in here.
Oh, it does.
Sun blasts here in the afternoon. There is the Parajubaea in the ground in our garden. It is a end of March. I think it's the 23rd of March today, somewhere around there. And we'll keep you updated on this palm, show you how it does in our climatic growing zone here on the northern end of Salt Spring Island. The mule palms are hanging in there beautifully, no winter damage. So let's just hope this proves to be as hardy. I think these are good down to about near 20 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 6.6 degrees Celsius. So it's a beautiful tropical looking pinnate species from South America. Stay tuned for an updated video on the Parajubaea palm. All right, cheers.
Cheers.